In this video, I'm going to talk about some key websites that are useful for your family history research. Actually, I would say they're crucial for your family history research. If used correctly, these websites will reveal your ancestors and take your family tree back in time, hopefully towards the medieval period. Who knows? Until you start looking at these websites and using them, you won't find that information. So let's get going. So the third website I want to introduce you to is the National Library of Scotland. They plan to digitise a third of their holdings by 2025. So this is a website to check back on regularly, as many records are going to come online until that date in the future. Online at the moment are over 700 post office directories, a colossal 140,000 maps of Scotland and the United Kingdom, and also an extensive film and video archive. I'm not going to take up any more of your time. Have a look at them, explore, and let me know what you find. Good luck and have fun.